How to fix YouTube TV streaming limit reached. So this pretty much happens when your specific account has amount of devices that has reached the maximum amount of devices that can be watched at the same time with the same account. So here are a few ways in order to actually fix this problem. First being to stop streaming on other device, of course, because YouTube TV allows YouTube TV only allows 3 simultaneous streams by default. So check if it's running on phones, other gadgets, then close the app or stop the video on those devices. But you can increase the amount of devices you can stream on by upgrading to 4K Plus or using a 4K Plus add-on. So that is an optional option. Then the 4K Plus plan allows unlimited streams at home on your Wi-Fi network. So you can do this in the settings, in the memberships, the add-ons, and then the 4K Plus. Next is you can go ahead and sign out on unused devices. So sign out of inactive devices in your Google account by visiting this and then removing the access for devices you're not using. Then 4 is to restart the app or device. So if you've stopped using other streams but the issue persists, try restarting the app or rebooting the device you're using. And finally is to basically just wait and retry, because sometimes YouTube TV takes a few minutes to recognize a closed stream, so wait around 2 to 5 minutes, then try again. But that's pretty much how you fix that problem. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.